Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE wall holder for your hand shower. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. First, let's take a look at the parts you'll need. Of course, it doesn't hurt to take a look at the installation manual, but you can watch the installation video instead. To attach your new wall holder to the wall, you need a spirit level, a pen, a screwdriver, a folding ruler, a 6mm drill and a roll of adhesive tape. So, let's get started. First, affix a strip of tape vertically to the place where your wall holder will later hang. Then draw a straight line with the spirit level. Now outline the drill holes using the black washer. Moving along. Drill both holes and insert the wall plugs. Take the black washer and the mounting plate and screw them both into the wall together. And finally, slide on the chrome wall holder onto the bracket. Make sure that the larger of the two openings for the hand shower is facing upwards. Done! That was easy, wasn't it?